Hi students, today we are going to discuss about the chapter Water, a Precious Resource. Myself Vivek Sajjan, teaching you science subject in Chandrakanpadi Central School, Kalburgi. So without wasting the time, we will start the class, that is Water, a Precious Resource. This lesson starts with the thought Jal hai to kal hai, which means if you have water, you can think of the future. Without water, we can't think our future also. Okay. So you are perhaps aware that 22nd March is celebrated as the World Water Day. So 22nd March is celebrated as World Water Day. A school celebrated World Water Day and invited posters from the children of your age group. Some of the posters presented on that day are shown in the figure 16.1. You can see in the diagrams also. In this they have given some posters, example of some posters. Save energy, save the drop of water also, every drop counts, you can save water. So my best friend is water. These are the different posters made by the children's. So what is the message you get from these posters? Write your observations in your notebook and discuss them in the class. So what are the message you will get from these posters? You can write in your notebook in your own words, and you can discuss with your friends in classroom also and your beside home also. Okay, so have ever felt a shortage of water at home or at school? So we will come across with a shortage of water in home also, and in sometimes in school also. Your parents or teachers must very often be advise you not to waste water. So your teachers and your parents will advise you to not to waste the water. So you have to use the water very carefully. Okay. So no wonder we celebrate Water Day every year to attract attention of everybody towards the importance of conserving water. Conserving water means this one, preserving the water, or so don't waste the water. Okay, how to save the water? So the amount of water recommended by the United Nations for drinking, washing, cooking and maintaining proper hygiene is a minimum of 50 liters per person per day. So United States will recommend to each and every person to have 50 liters of usable water, so for maintaining their day-to-day life activities such as washing, drinking, cooking, maintaining the proper hygiene. So these are the different various day-to-day activities are maintained by the 50 liters of water. 50 liter water means it is nearly about 2.5 buckets of water. Okay, is your family getting at least this much of water? If yes, you should consider yourself fortune, because millions of people in our country do not get enough water. So if you are getting daily 2.5 buckets in your family for each person, means you have to feel yourself fortune. Why? Because in our country, so a lot of people are not getting enough water for their day-to-day life activities. So but what about your friends and their families? So you can ask your friends also and your families also. So is they are getting the proper amount of water for their daily activities or not? Share your experience with them also. In some place there is an acute shortage of water, taps running dry, long queues for water, fights, marches and protests for demand of water have become a common sight, especially during summers. In some areas the peoples are fighting for water, they are standing for a long queues for the water. So some are doing marches and protest for demand of water in some areas. This can be seen very easily, especially in summer occasions. Okay, some of the newspaper clippings shown in the figure 16.3 clearly indicate this message. Is it now true that we face acute shortage of water? So you can see in this figure the peoples are standing for a long queue for a bucket of water. So you can see in the paper cuttings also. So are water conscious? Simple ways to save water. So this type of paper cuttings also coming in your papers day to day. Okay, so let us go with the activity 16.1. Collect clippings from newspapers and magazines on the news items, articles and pictures related to the water shortage. You have to collect the different clippings of newspapers and magazines. So wherever you see the articles, you have to collect that articles which are related to the water shortage. Paste them in your scrapbook and share with your friends. List some problems faced by the people and discuss them in the class. So list some of the problems which you have faced in your region, which people are suffering from the water, and discuss that problem with your friends, and you can get the solutions from the different peoples also. Water shortage has become a matter of concern throughout the world. It is estimated that in a few years from now, more than 1/3 of the people in the world could face water scarcity. So 1/3 of the people can face the scarcity of water. They will not get proper water also. So before we discuss why water is getting scary, we must know how much water is available for use on our planet. So you should know that how much water is available for drinking of water in our planet. So let us see now how much water is available for drinking purpose. So look at the pictures of the earth taken from space. So you can see the picture of earth which is taken from the space. Why does it appear blue? Surely you can guess. You are aware that about 71% of Earth's surface is covered with water. So nearly 71% of water is covered by the Earth's surface. Almost all the water on the Earth is contained by the seas and oceans, rivers, lakes, ice caps as groundwater, and in some percentage as in the atmosphere also. So we can see the 71% of water which is in the form of seas, ocean, rivers, lakes, ice caps as groundwater, and some amount of water is present in the atmosphere also. However, most of this water is not fit for human consumption directly. The water that is fit for use is fresh water. Perform the following activities to estimate roughly the relative amount of water available in the sum of these sources. Okay, so we'll perform the activity in the next session. So if you have any doubts in this chapter, in this session, whatever we have discussed, you can ask the questions in comment box. We will give the solution for that one. Thank you guys. See you in next video. Take care. Bye.